Hello, good morning friends. Today I am going to unbox the Taparia Allen key set, that is KV10. I purchased it from the Amazon India. So here is the box, you can see. Okay, so let me open it and show you what is inside. So you can see here is the box written Taparia Allen key set. Okay, here is a button given, press button to open the box. You can see the code. It is price is 212 rupees. KI10V. Okay, so here is 10 pieces of the Allen keys set. You can see, I hope you can see the numbers written here clearly. Okay, which is marked this way and arranged according to its size. It is very useful and a very good quality product which will last lifetime, and you will need to do the repairing work of your two-wheeler or any household item. And the original Taparia product comes in this type of packaging and box. So this is a very useful thing, and you will need it to open the petrol tank cap or open the handlebar Allen key nuts. Okay, so I hope you like the unboxing video of this Taparia Allen key set. Thank you for watching. Do support me and my channel and subscribe to my channel, because many different videos are uploaded there on different topics which will